All right, folks, here comes Amtrak San Joaquin bound train 713. Final destination of that train is Oakland, Jack London Square, Oakland. Here it comes. We at Pinole right now. An SC-44 Seaman Charger 2101 lead it off. Excuse me. SC-44 Seaman Charger 2101, MPCU 90215, and Mount Wilson 8304 tailing in the back. All right, folks, this is 713 going to the Oakland Jack London Square station. All bi-levels. And Antoine Stalker, Mount Wilson. There it goes, folks. That train is going to the Oakland Jack London Square, Oakland. That train set will be returned at 7:18 later on in the evening. I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.